here. Check this out. We got them going. We just finished up our Monster Jam live glow party. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Well, they just wrapped up the show. We've got an exclusive party crusher truck here, and we are going to open this live. Well, live for us, but not for you guys. This is crazy. How fun that was. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? Oh, the motorcycle part? Yeah. Well, you guys would have probably done seen that video by now, but we've got this exclusive Monster Truck live truck. They only give it out at the shows. We had to buy it. But Grayson is going to rip it here, and we're going to take a closer look at it. These are a little tricky the way they got them done up. There you go. Take a look at it, guys. If you look close. Yeah, it is. Check it out for the wheel. If you guys look, y'all can see that they have all the trucks done up in one. There's Bone Shaker, Bigfoot, Tiger Shark. Which one was that? Mega Red? Demolition Derby. There's the Hot Wheels, and who is that one? He wasn't here, was he? Yeah, that one wasn't here, but this is a pretty cool truck. It's an exclusive, and like I said, they give this out only at the show. You have to buy it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take a look at what the wrap-up looks like, and we'll see you guys later. Take care, guys.